taking, just be. Don't take it. Taking, just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing right.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be getting my spices together, showing y'all a little grocery haul and a little bit of me cooking. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe. That's some of the things that you'll be seeing on my channel. I do DIYs and different types of hauls and home decor. So I would love for you to join my channel and subscribe. So I showed y'all what my spices looked like before, and let me tell y'all something. I have so many spices, seasonings that it just don't make no sense. It really don't make no sense. And I am about to get it together because it, like, looking at my cabinet and looking at the seasonings, it just makes my head like hurts because there's so many different colors, so many different labels, and then when you try to get something in the back that's at the top, it's the stuff just start falling down on you. So I'm like, I gotta do something, and I gotta do something that's gonna help me as far as keeping me from going crazy looking at all these different seasonings. Do I use all of this stuff? Yes, I do. It just depends on when I'm cooking, what I'm cooking. So I'm just going to be sitting here and making a mess pretty much, because by the time I was finished, I did have a pile of seasoning on the table. So it's just crazy. It's ridiculous to have this many seasonings. Comment down below if you guys have this many seasonings or more. I don't know if you were paying attention, but at one point I was kind of like questioning, did I really want to do this right now, because it was a lot, and it was kind of already triggering my anxiety. So, but I do want to say that I did get these containers with the labels. They came together, and I got them from Amazon. I can link it in the description below. Also, those little magnetic shells that I showed at the beginning, those came from Amazon as well. So I will link both of those in my description so that if you're interested, you can get them.
You're my lifeline. You're my lifeline. You're my lifeline. God. You're my lifeline. You're my lifeline. You're my lifeline.
Said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. It's not over, yeah. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. 'cause you're all that I want, but you let me in. The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be over. I wanna get closer, it's not over, yeah, but we could go back to my place.
Alright, y'all, I'm just throwing in what I cooked for dinner tonight. I just cooked some salmon croquette patties, and it didn't dawn on me to show you guys how I make them, but it's just as simple as some cans of salmon. I put some panko crumbs in there and mustard, and then different types of seasoning, make my patties and fry them up. And yes, I did make some instant mashed potatoes, y'all, because your girl is not feeling it tonight. She's not feeling good, so yes, I did. And then I made those little muffins during my lunch break. Alright, hey y'all, in this part of the video, I'll be showing my grocery haul for the week. Well, today is Friday, so this is basically a grocery haul until next weekend. This is what I got from Walmart. I do have Kroger being delivered in like maybe 30 minutes. So this is all that I got from Kroger. So I'll go, and I'm definitely have the prices for you guys. So I got the Moats Berry. I love these and my kids love these, so I just B's better than the mixed flavor. I got some hamburger buns because I'll be making some hamburgers this week. I got 2 party size salt and vinegar chips. Got the hamburger patties. Got some, I started to get some butter bread, but I ended up just getting the white sandwich bread. I got my son some chicken nuggets. I got the 3 pepper and onion blend frozen because I will be making some pepper steak Sunday. I got my brown eggs. I love using the brown eggs. I love the Fiesta cheese. Anytime I cook with cheese, I normally will definitely have the Fiesta blend incorporated in it. So I always just get the 2-pound bag. I got me some more caramel macchiato creamer. This is like my favorite creamer to use. I got a gallon of milk. No, you don't see any cereal because I just bought cereal from Dollar General. You guys, if you're not hooked to using Dollar General's app and the coupons, you're missing out, because I got $31 worth of stuff last week for $20 because I use that app every time I go, and they always have the $5 off coupon as well for Saturday. So make sure that y'all go, because you get, even if they don't have a coupon for an item, you get money. They put money in your app to where you can actually use that money towards your purchase. And I had $3, I think $3.25. I think I had to go towards that, plus the $5, and then I had got discounts off of some other stuff to make it come down to $20. So make sure y'all using that Dollar General app. I got cheese because I always put cheese on my sandwiches or either my hamburger. And I gotta have my honey smoked turkey breast. We were out of hot sauce, and I've been meaning to get some hot sauce, so I got some good old Louisiana hot sauce. This is the gravy that I use for my pepper steak, and this is the steak that I used. So I got 2 packs of the stir fry, and then I got some ground turkey. Probably be doing a hamburger helper and tacos out of this. So I already have the hamburger helper, and then on this side I have 2 things of Arizona. Now this was supposed to be 2 fruit punches, but they ended up sending the kiwi strawberry, but the kids will drink it. I got 2 packs of the fish fry seasoning, Louisiana fish fry seasoning. And I should have went with my gut because I was thinking this was going to be enough for us. It's a family of 4. But I need to get another pack of whiting. So I'll have to go back to the store. Or not go back because I had this delivered to the house. But I'll have to go to the store to get the whiting. Oh, wait. Maybe I can add it. It might not be too late to add it to my Kroger order. But anyway, this is the Walmart stuff. And then I'm going to come back on to show you guys what I got from Kroger. All right, y'all. Excuse that noise in the background. That's Kobe drinking water. This is all the stuff that I got from from Kroger. I was supposed to have 2 bags of the Sweet Heat barbecue Lay's. Y'all, them chips are the bomb, and everybody must have caught on because I can't never get them. So he wasn't able to get them for me. But Kroger have their snacks like this, like 2 for, I think it's 2 for $5, and I should have got 1 more. But I just got some Nutty Buddies, some zebra cakes, and some oatmeal cream pies. I think I forgot. I was going to select 2 zebra cakes. And then I was wanting the original applesauce. They were out, so I told him to just get the strawberry kind. Again, my kids will eat it. And then I did get the BK sodas. They're just as good as the Czech drinks. If y'all are familiar with Winn-Dixie, we used to have Winn-Dixie years ago, and they are the only ones that sold the Czech drinks. And oh my God, I love me some Czech drinks. So whenever I go to another state that actually has some Winn-Dixie, I always make sure that I come back with some drinks. So yeah, I got the Big K drinks, and that's gonna be it for the grocery. All right, you guys, this is gonna sum up this video. It was probably, I don't know how long it is. I don't know how much footage I have. Please excuse that pimple. I just took my pimple patch off. Need to put another one back on. But y'all, I have really been doing a lot when I should have been sitting my tail down this past week. I know you can hear it in my voice. I'm still not feeling my best, but my sinuses, it's my sinuses, and they're draining bad, and I just haven't been able to get to do everything that I want to do in a day. So, and as you can see, this video was filmed over, I think, a course of 3 days. So, and it wasn't a lot. But my next video, I'm trying to plan to do a little DIY with you guys. I'm making a spring wreath for my next video. I'm making a spring wreath. I'm going to be decorating my kitchen for spring as well. And I'm probably be doing a little bit more organization on that video. So if you like that content, make sure that you click on the subscribe button and turn your notification bell on so that you know when I drop videos, and join my family. I would love to have you, and I will chat with y'all in the next video. Bye.